Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You hit a lighter flick. You know what time it is. You understand me? Bully more smoke with a real quick check in, y'all. The rain done got me down today, y'all. Your boy done basically slept the damn day away, man. So, my apologies to the afternoon. You understand me? But it is now the evening. And it's time for them boys to eat. You understand me? So, yeah, babe. We're going to throw a little fruit in with the veggies. And the raw we already got mixed in. You understand me? Carrots, raw, oats. You got to get down. Down, my man. Don't show off. You was good the whole time. You know what I mean? We got the gizzards, the livers, the hearts in there. You understand me? Eating good in the neighborhood, per usual. You understand me? 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Bananas for my guy. Bananas for my guy. Down, down. Wait a minute. Let me mix it up, Daddy. Let Daddy mix it up, guys. On the left. Be quiet. Spike is excited. He loves his bananas, but not in big chunks. He seems to don't like it in the chunk form. He like it sliced a little thin. So, you know what I mean? It is what it is on that, Bully Lovers. Bang. Pick my guy up. There you go, my man. And they go right to town. You understand me? I'm just waking up, y'all, so I just wanted to feed them. I gotta get it together, y'all. Gotta get it together. I'm talking about just waking up. You understand me? I'm about to get them boys some fresh water. You understand me? Wash my face, brush my teeth, and shit. I've been asleep all day. That rain, boy, got me like I ain't sleep at all. It's still raining out there, man. And I know they probably mad, like, yo, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm about to raise your bowl, boy. You know that, fat man? You getting big, my guy. I'm about to raise your bowl. Spike. Spike. It's good, my man? It's good, baby boy? What you say, legend? What you say, phone phone? What you say, phone phone? What you doing? It's good, my man. It's good, baby boy? That's the good stuff? Yeah, you better get you some fresh water. You understand me? That's quality H2O. Try to comment down below. You know what I mean? Y'all, if y'all know that, that's good quality H2O. You know what I mean? Y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all tell me who that was, man. Y'all tell me who that was, man. Mom said. Yo. uh, 5-minute tip, y'all. I know how y'all is. Keep it short and sweet. So with that said, now it's time to say goodbye to all my bully friends. You understand me? 2 fingers, y'all. We gone.